The lecture car is designed as a mobile classroom to bring educational resources to remote student populations. It converts a standard vehicle into a fully functional learning environment. The lecture car is equipped to deliver lessons and provide access to educational materials in areas lacking traditional infrastructure. The lecture car is equipped with whiteboards, projectors, and foldable desks to facilitate teaching and learning. High-speed internet connectivity ensures access to online resources within the lecture car. A solar-powered battery system provides energy independence, enabling operation in areas without reliable power grids. Soundproofing and air conditioning enhance the learning environment within the lecture car. A 360-degree camera facilitates live streaming capabilities from the lecture car. The lecture car features a foldable solar roof for efficient energy collection. The lecture car addresses educational disparities by providing access to learning in remote rural villages, mountainous regions, and deserts. By bringing teachers and resources directly to students, it overcomes geographical barriers and offers opportunities for education that would otherwise be unavailable. The goal is to equalize educational opportunities and support the academic development of students in underserved communities.